17. Effects of light. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. First, when the beams from the headlights of a car fall on an object in the night, the shadows called umbra and penumbra can be seen. Second, during lunar eclipse, the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. Third, during solar eclipse, the shadow of the moon falls on the earth. Fourth, various shades of a color are seen in the sky at a sunrise and a sunset due to scattering of light. Fifth, a faint shadow of an object called penumbra is obtained from an extended source of light. 6. 9 December is celebrated as a World Anti-Superstition Day. 7. Tiny particles are seen floating in the beam of light. 8. In the absence of atmosphere, the sky would have appeared black during the day. 9. The blue color in the sunlight is scattered the most due to the molecules of gases present in the atmosphere. 10. A solar eclipse should never be seen, watched with the naked eyes. Question number 2. Rewrite the following statements after correcting. First, red light is scattered more than a blue light. Answer. Red light is scattered less than a blue light. Second, the sun is an example of a point source of light. Answer. The sun is an example of an extended source of light. Third, when the sun, moon, and earth come in a straight line, her occultation takes place. Answer. When the sun, moon, or come in a straight line, eclipse occurs. 4. When the solar disk is completely covered by the moon, a partial solar eclipse occurs. Answer. When the solar eclipse disk is completely covered by the moon, total solar eclipse occurs. Question number 3. Explain the difference. First, point sources of a light and extended source of light. First, point sources of a light. First, a source of a radiation light that is concentrated at a point and considered as having no spatial extension. Second, shadow we get from a point source is dark, called umbra. Extended sources of light. First, an extended source is a source consisting of many point sources separated internally. Second, shadow we get from extended source of light is faint, called penumbra, and dark as a umbra. Second, umbra and penumbra. Umbra. First, the umbra is the central core of darkness which tapers away. Second, umbra is shadow formed from the point source of light. Third, it is dark. Fourth, umbra is an area of a total shadow. Penumbra. First, the penumbra is an outer cone of a partial shadow which diverges instead of tapering. Second, it is the shadow formed from the extended source of light. Third, it is faint. Fourth, it is the area of a partial shadow. Third, solar eclipse and a lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse. First, when the moon comes between the sun and the earth, a shadow of the moon is cast on the earth and the sun cannot be seen from part in shadow. Second, it is seen on a new moon day. Third, it can never be watched with naked eyes. Fourth, it is seen for a few minutes. Lunar eclipse. First, when the earth comes between the sun and the moon, a shadow of the earth is cast on the moon, and part of the moon is covered this. Second, it is seen on a full moon night. Third, it can be watched by naked eyes. Fourth, it is seen for a few hours. Question number 4. Match the pairs. First, lunar eclipse, earth shadow, shadow of the earth. Second, occultation, star behind moon, star hidden behind moon. Third, zero shadow, invisible shadow. Fourth, penumbra, faint shadow, faint. Question number 5. Answer the following questions in one sentence. First, what is meant by occultation? Answer. When a planet or a star passes behind the moon. Second, how does the umbra appear? Umbra appears as a dark. Third, the earth appears to be bluish. What is the cause of this effect? Answer. This effect is called scattering of light. 4. Where does the event of a zero shadow day occur? Answer. This event can be only seen in the region between the Tropic of Cancer 20.5 north and the Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south. 5th. What is seen in a beam of light? Answer. We see tiny dust particles floating in the beam. 6. When does an eclipse occur? Answer. When the sun, the moon and the earth come in a straight line, an eclipse is said to have taken place. Question number 6. Answer the following questions in your own words. First, what is meant by scattering of light? Answer. First, scattering of a light is the deviation of a light rays from its straight path. In this process, light gets deflected by the particles in the medium through which the light passes. Second, does the shadow really vanish in the zero shadow condition? Answer. Yes. The day on which the sun reaches exactly overhead at noon, shadow completely disappears. Second, this event is seen between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Third, will the laser beam be seen if it passes through a glass box which contains lighted incense stick? Answer. Yes. The laser beam is seen if it passes through a glass box which contains a lighted incense stick. 4. Can a solar eclipse be watched using goggles having blackened glasses? Answer. Yes. A solar eclipse can be watched using goggles having blackened glasses. 5th. The moon comes between the sun and the earth twice a year. Does the solar eclipse take place at each of these times? Answer. A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the sun and the earth. It occurs only on a new moon day, but does not happen on every new moon day because of the inclination of the moon's orbital plane. A partial eclipse, when the moon doesn't completely cover the sun, happens at least twice a year, somewhere on Earth. 6. What is penumbra not obtained from a point source? Answer. Because all the light of the point source will be blocked by any shadowing object. 7. Cover the mouth of a source of light with a black paper having a hole in its center. Place the beaker filled with the water in contact with the hole. Add a few drops of milk in the water. When the hole is observed from the front, it appears reddish. If a few more drops of milk are added, the reddish color seen from the front becomes an intense red. However, it may when more drops are added, the reddish color is not seen. Why it is so? Answer. First, as more and more milk is added, more particles of a protein and a fat scatter the light, and the blue color is scattered more and more than orange and the red light, and the beam appears blue from the sides. And second, if few drops of milk are added along with the blue color, orange and a yellow are also scattered, and only the intense red is seen from the front. Third, but when many more drops are added, even the red color is scattered and we do not see any color from the front. 8. Various eclipses and the conditions during that period. Answer. January 6, 2019, partial solar eclipse. January 21, 2019, total lunar eclipse. July 2, 2019, total solar eclipse. July 16, 2019, partial lunar eclipse. December 26, 2019, annular solar eclipse. Question number 7. Give scientific reasons. First, space beyond the Earth's atmosphere appears dark. Answer. Space beyond the Earth's atmosphere does not have some gas and a cosmic dust, but there is no any atmosphere. Second, as there are no particles to scatter the sunlight, the space appears black. Second, we are able to read while sitting in the shade. Answer. We are able to read because the sunlight which falls on the book is scattered and reaches our eyes. Second, while sitting in the shade, our eyes adjust to the environment and to amount of light available. This is how we are able to read. Third, we should not observe the solar eclipse with naked eyes. Answer: during the solar eclipse, ultraviolet rays which are harmful to us reach the earth and may lead to eclipse, blindness, and retinal burns and cataracts. Answer: second, in order to protect our eyes, a solar eclipse should never be watched with naked eyes. Fourth, a beam of light is not seen in a plain water, but it's seen in a turbid water. Answer: a light beam is not seen in a plain water, but is clearly seen in a slightly turbid water. The light rays hit the tiny particles of light and get scattered. If these scattered rays enter the eyes, we perceive the light. Fifth, when the sun rises, surrounding area appears illuminated. Answer: this happens because of the dust and the other tiny particles in the air. This is scattering of sunlight by tiny particles by various constituents of air.